MacBook Pro in the mail. You've noticed it is refurbished. I just want to save a little money. I'm not looking forward to paying $300 just for a box. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you guys here. I'm putting this on my couch right now, hoping you'll be able to see the box good enough. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Sorry, 1 second. I'll just... Okay, now I can see myself. Okay. So, I did buy the refurbished one because I cannot really afford... Well, I can afford one, but I just don't want to wait longer to get one. I'm so excited right now. You guys have no idea. So, when I open up this package, this just gives me receipt from Apple.com, yeah, for my refurbished MacBook Pro. So let's open the box now. Okay, so first we have power cable, just the extension for the power brick if you want. Power brick right here, which is a little bit dirty, just from the cardboard. This stuff's really cold because I'm in Canada right now. It's pretty cold up here. MagSafe, it's pretty small. I don't know if you guys can see how small it is, but that one's really small. This is the, if you want to put this on to the power brick and then just plug that directly into the wall. Apple remote, which I do not need because I have two already, but I'll probably end up using this one anyway. Now, this is one of the more important things if I want to get an external monitor, which I probably will, is a DVI to VGA adapter that you get with most Macs. I'll probably be using that later on today. And then you got your, well, it's actually rather scratched. Designed by Apple in California, and you get all the install discs and everything. I'm not sure if this one came with Leopard, but I'm hoping it did. Actually, I'm pretty sure it did. So you have everything Mac and everything else, and then got some install discs. I got some Apple stickers. I didn't know that would. Some of them don't even come with those. So just putting this back together now. And then after that, after the top part's empty, we have the actual MacBook Pro. It's pretty well packed. Doesn't look like it'll move around too much. It's 5 pounds, not too heavy, but still a little heavy. There's just that license agreement on the back that most people don't even read. And for the revealing of the cold MacBook Pro, oh, I ripped the bag. Sorry about that. Doesn't matter. There it is. It's nice, and this is the nicest laptop I've ever seen. It's really nice and heavy. It's sorry about that. Someone was coming to the door. So this laptop's nice and heavy. It's really thin. I mean, it's not as thin as the MacBook Air, but it's in perfect shape. I'm gonna be using this laptop a lot. I know that. And yeah, so in a couple, I'll take it up, or I'll open it up and plug it in maybe, and I'll turn it on in a couple seconds. So here we go, just about to turn it on here. I got the glossy screen. This is it's a nice sized laptop. It's gonna be exciting. Here we go. It's quiet. That's why I like about Macs. They're always quiet. I got the 20-inch iMac downstairs in my room, which is extremely quiet and nice to have for a desktop. Most of the Macs they just take a while on the first boot, just because you got to go through all the extra information for the install and stuff. It's really cold because I'm up in Canada and it's been in the back of this truck for probably a while. Okay, so when you come to the language, yeah, I know you guys probably mostly know how to do this because you probably all have Macs anyway. Yep, to use English as their main language, you go click Next. Nice big screen, 15 inches is a pretty big laptop. I would have my tripod set up, you guys, but I'm way too excited to have that set up. So it does have leopard on it, which I was expecting because, you know, it's been refurbished to newer. So I'm in Canada, so I'm going to put Canada. And then I'm going to go continue. Then Canada English because I could put it in French because I am French, but I'm not going to. I don't want to transfer any information because I just don't need to. I'd like to start fresh with this. And then I gotta choose my network. And I can only find mine because I don't know why, but it can't. Usually computers in my house can't find any other ones. Okay, so my Apple D. This is a nice keyboard to type on. Oh, I've kinda, I don't know if this has a click on when you tap the mouse pad, but I'm used to that from my other laptops. In the previous, which have all been Windows laptops, pieces of crap. So there you have it, the unboxing and starting up of a refurbished MacBook Pro.